In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Zelle with Truist. Whether you're new to digital banking or simply looking to streamline the way you send money to family and friends, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. To begin this journey into the world of seamless money transfers, the first step is to open your Truist mobile app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, be sure to do so from your device's app store. Having the app ensures that you can access your bank account details and services securely and conveniently anytime. Once the app is open, you'll need to enter your user ID and password. These are your personal credentials that connect you to your Truist account. It's important to keep these details safe to protect your financial information. After entering your credentials, proceed to click on Sign In. You'll notice that the app interface is designed to be user-friendly, making navigation straightforward. Next, you'll want to locate and tap on the transfer option within the app. This feature acts as the gateway to accessing various transfer services available to you. From here, you can proceed to explore the benefits of digital transfers, including those offered through Zelle. Once in the transfer section, look for and click on Send Money with Zelle. Zelle allows you to send money instantly using just an email address or phone number, making it incredibly convenient for splitting a dinner bill or sending a birthday gift. After selecting this option, tap on Send Money to initiate the transfer process. Now let's move on to setting up your recipient. If you've sent money using Zelle before through Truist, you may have a list of recent recipients. You can choose from these, or if it's your first time or the recipient is new, click on Add Recipient. Follow the prompts to enter the recipient's email or mobile number accurately, as this is essential for directing your transfer to the right person. Next up is specifying the amount. Carefully type the amount you wish to send. Double check to ensure there are no mistakes, as this is the exact value that will be transferred. Before making the transfer, click Review to see a summary of your transaction. This step is your chance to confirm all details are correct. Make sure you see the right recipient and the appropriate sum to avoid any need for adjustments later. Finally, when you're ready, hit Send. Depending on your and the recipient's bank, the money could be in their account in just minutes. Remember, Zelle is a powerful tool for sending money quickly. However, always ensure you're sending money to the right person, as transactions made through Zelle cannot be reversed. And there you have it, a simple, quick, and secure way to send money using Zelle with your Truist account. Thank you for watching and happy banking.